Hey boys, so today in this video I'll be showing you how to cook a delicious and easy fried rice dish, which in Chinese is called 蛋炒饭, which basically translates to egg fried rice, in which you can share with your family at any time of the day or whenever you feel hungry. But first of all, before we get into the cooking, I want to teach you boys a little bit about the history regarding this world famous Chinese dish, which is fried rice. So the earliest record of fried rice is found in the Sui dynasty, which is 589 to 680 CE. Fried rice is believed to have started as a way to accommodate leftovers. Traditionally, though, southern Chinese prefer their rice polished and plain as a base staple to eat with just meat and vegetables. The vegetables and meat and rice were usually the leftovers from the day before, which have passed their prime but are still good to consume and too good to be fed to the farm animals. Normally, it is seasoned with soy sauce, lard, garlic, and then stir-fried, making a delicious and easy hot meal. The main basic elements of Chinese fried rice includes rice, meat, vegetables, soy sauce, and garlic. So the first step towards cooking anything is gathering all the ingredients. Since I'm cooking for myself, I have a bowl of already cooked rice, 3 eggs, chives, oil, you can use whatever, anything is fine, salt and pepper, and personally, I like to add some soy sauce for extra flavor, and I use some frozen carrots, peas, and corn for the extra protein. The second step is to crack and then beat the eggs. You want to make sure to keep beating the eggs until you can see no more spots and it's smooth all around. It should also have the color around like a golden color. Next, season the eggs with whatever seasonings you like to have on your eggs. Personally, I'm putting salt and pepper because that's what I like. Okay, so now we want to put the eggs away for now with the other ingredients. Now you want to get yourself a big pan or a wok and place it on the stove. Then turn it onto high heat and afterwards put 2 tablespoons of oil into it and just wait. Okay, so while we wait for the pan to heat up, I'm going to get started on the carrots, peas, and corn. For this, all I need to do is pour the amount that I want into a bowl and then wash it in some water. Once that is done, set it aside with the other ingredients. After you finish washing the carrots, peas, and corn, the pan should be hot enough by now. Put the eggs in and you should be able to hear the beautiful sizzling sound. If not, it will usually mean the pan is too cold. While you wait for the eggs to cook, you want to get the other ingredients that you'll be mixing in with your fried rice ready next to you. While we're waiting for the eggs to cook, I'm going to chop up the chives that I will be mixing in with the fried rice. Once you can see the eggs have been partially cooked, use a spatula and begin to separate the egg into medium to small sized pieces. As you start doing that, put the cooked rice in and mix it together. Then put the other ingredients that you would like in your fried rice into the wok, in which I'm putting carrots, peas, and corn as well as chives.
I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Nothing over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed. Even with the babies and the mama call a grave digger. Gone with the fallen leaves. Am I coming out? Keep my hands on myself. Pick up dust them all, put them back up on the shelf. Just a little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed. Even with the babies and the mama call a grave digger. Gone with the fallen leaves. Am I coming out?
Once you can see the fried rice has been cooked to your liking, you want to make sure to serve it hot. So make sure to have a plate or a bowl with you and serve it immediately straight out of the wok.
Can keep my hands on myself. Pick up dust them all, put them back up on the shelf. Just a little baby girl is in need.
And that's how you make a quick and easy蛋炒饭, which you can share with your family or eat whenever you want. Please make sure to check out the videos made by my partners Felix and Zachary. Yeah. Cheers, boys.